Hello, this is part 4, AiBot Behavior Tree Setup. In this video, we set up the AiBot behavior tree. In the AiBot character, we create 3 blueprints. This blueprint initializes the gun, this blueprint shoots the player, and this blueprint runs the shoot special effects. In the AiBot, we create 2 blueprints. This blueprint sets the behavior tree. This blueprint uses the AI perception component, and if the player is sighted, it sets player sighted to true. And it also puts player sighted in the Blackboard. We create this service, this task, and this task. This get player service gets the player and puts it in the Blackboard here. This get random location task gets a random location and puts it in the Blackboard here. The shoot player task shoots the player, and that's run from the behavior tree here. The player sighted decorator, if the decorator is false, in other words the player is not sighted, it goes down this branch, and the AiBot will run around randomly. If player sighted is true, it goes down this branch, and the AiBot will attack the player and shoot the player here. Under content, third person sheet, right click, select blueprint class, select all classes, search for AI, select AiController, press select. I'm going to name this AiBotController. Double click AiBot character. Under AiController class, change it to AiBotController and compile and save. Right click, select Artificial Intelligence, Behavior Tree. I'm going to name this AiBotBB. Right click, select Artificial Intelligence, Blackboard. I'm going to name this AiBotBB. Double click AiBotBB. Enter new key, object. Name it player. Under key type, put actor. Enter another new key. Type bool. Name it player sighted. Enter another new key. Type vector. Name it location. Save that and close. Double click on AiBot VT. Under behavior tree, make sure you have the Blackboard connected AiBotBB and press save. Double click AiBotBT, create new service, close this, and rename the service to BTS Get Player. Double click BTS Get Player to create the object variable. Right click on the key and promote the variable. I named it object. Make sure to make it public. And when you're done, compile and save. Double click AiBotBT, create new task, close this. I'm going to rename this to BTT Get Random Location. Double click BTT Get Random Location. To create a vector, right click on the key, promote the variable. I named it vector. Make sure to make it public. On this node, I put a radius of 2000. Make sure to check success on this node. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AiBotBT, create new task, I'm going to rename this to BTT Sheet Player. Double click AiBot Character. This is DSheetFX. To create the custom event, right click and search on custom event and enter the name DSheetFX. Gun holder, you drag gun holder out into here to get that. This is muzzle, this is muzzle. This is first person template, weapon fire 02. This is P explosion. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AiBot Character. This is the DSheet Player custom event. Has one parameter, player, type actor. To create the custom event, you right click, search on custom events, and then give it the name DSheet Player. Trace channel is on camera. To get this break hit result, drag off of the out hit and then select break hit result. This is 25 for base damage, damage type classes, damage type. When you're done, compile and save. Double click BTT Sheet Player. On this node, remember to check success. and compile and save when you're done. Double click AiBotController. On Run the Behavior Tree node, BT asset set to AiBotBT, and compile and save. Double click AiBotController. Add component, AI Perception. Go to the elements and add an element. Add AI Site Config. Expand this, and expand this, and expand Detection by Affiliation. Check neutrals, and compile and save. Double click AiBotController to create on-target perception updated. Right click perception and add event and select on-target perception updated. To create the break stimulus, drag off of the stimulus and select break stimulus. This is player sighted here. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AiBot character. This initializes the gun when the game starts. This is BPKA47. This is grip point, snap the target, and snap the target. Compile and save when you're done. Double click AiBotBT. This is a selector. To create Blackboard based condition, select the sequence, right click, add decorator, Blackboard. This Blackboard based condition, observer aborts but key query is not set, Blackboard key player sighted. Get random location, this should be location. Move to, this should be location. Wait. Blackboard based condition, observer aborts both, key query is set, Blackboard key player sighted. Get player service, this should be player. Move to, put 200 for acceptable radius, Blackboard key player. This is sheet player task, and wait. Save when you're done. Drag AiBot character into the scene for testing. I'll press play to test. Press the single quote and forward to put it in debug mode. Player sighted on the right will be true when the player is sighted and false when it's not sighted. Right now I'm sighted. You can shoot as many times as you want. Right now it doesn't register any damage. That will come in another video. and that's it. Everything's working correctly.